So hello, and as always, welcome back to Learning MD. So many of you have been asking me regarding the actual MacBook and if you should actually buy an older version. So my quick answer is yes, without a doubt. Okay, most of you have been using the MacBook lately to answer emails. Maybe you are have a mini actual business and you've been, or not so mini, and you've been using your MacBook and you need a new one. Buy the older model, not the newest model. You'll save about 500 or $1,000, and I think it really makes sense, especially if you just use it for day-to-day errands. I think that's the move to do, in which you can really save money. Now, if you need an AI chip, or you need something that's a little bit more complex, then maybe yes, by all means, buy the newest version. But for most of us, as with this model right here, as you can see, I've got the Touch Bar, and I bought it 2 years later than when it came out, and I do think that it's totally worth it, the saving. And as always, I do also think that many of us just use, even though I edit videos, I use I think with 16 gigabytes of RAM and at least 512 gigabytes of memory is more than enough for almost anyone that uses a daily laptop. Okay, as always, if you got any questions, let me know in the comments.